What's up, guys? We're back.
In black.
In black. Great. Anyways, this is episode 2 of the Pitstop Boys bagger build. So what are we doing today?
Today, we are opening boxes. So it's been about 2 months, almost 2 months since we worked on the bike. We've been planning and ordering parts, and now they're finally here. We're still waiting for the front wheel and a couple other things, tires.
Yeah, that's it.
But we have most of it here. So the plan today is to start opening everything.
Yeah, making sure we have everything from everyone to get going on this build. So without further ado, let's pick some boxes and start opening.
So we ordered most of this stuff through Havoc Motorcycles.
They're our distributor for Canadian distributor for Bad Dad.
So the reason we went with Bad Dad, we did a ton of research on the best fender kits we can find. We wanted something with minimal bodywork.
Yeah.
We need to get this done somewhat quickly. We didn't want to be spending hours sanding and priming and everything. So after a lot of research, these seems like the way to go.
Yeah,
So,
exactly. Bad Dad is great. I'll let you pop those side covers out.
oh yeah. Like the packaging too, everything's nice and tight.
There you go. There's a nice primer finish on this. Essentially, a lot of people actually got them painted from Bad Dad because the fitment, like there are essentially no fitment issues with the Bad Dad kits. So we just wanted to make sure because we have to trim a couple things, so it's good to.
The finish on this is perfect. Quick sanding and paint, and we're on our way. That's awesome.
Nice. Well, so far so good. So my first box, we have the center stand kit from MRI. And all the components are pretty solid on this compared to the Amazon or eBay special. The cost is different, obviously, but you pay what you get. You pay for what you get. Or you get what you pay for.
Something like that.
Some gibberish. Aha! So this one's from Hog Halters. So I'll turn around to see. So this is our rake triple tree. All right.
Oh yes.
Ooh, the tank shroud.
Tank shrouds. So we wanted the stretch tank look, and we're keeping the stock tank, but we're just adding these on each side. So they come with the cutouts. On ours, we have the fuel gauge on one side, the gas cap on the other, and we did order flush mount caps for both of those. We have them somewhere. We'll show you guys in a bit.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is the stretch tank.
So
We have both sides here. We are gonna glue these on. Should look pretty nice.
and this is a Classic Series shroud, and that's a Classic Series dash if you guys are interested. Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. Look at the finish on this.
Oh,
There's like no body work whatsoever required on these. The finish is just perfect.
Ooh, goodies.
Alright. So this is our air ride system. So we only on the rear we will have air ride with the center stand. So you'll push a button, center stand will go down, and then air ride the air will come out of the spring, out of the shocks basically, and slam the rear end on the ground. So we won't have a kickstand anymore. Oh, not what you think. It's not
in the world is
a
that?
bedroom toy. Oh, it's got the power commander too. So with the exhaust and air intake that we're using, we just need to adjust the air fuel mixer. So just need a little bit more fuel for the amount of air that's coming in and out.
Yeah, so these are the bars. So we went with, they're called monster bars. I believe these ones are from DNA. We ordered them through Havoc. So I don't know if you guys can have a good look at this. So the powder coat finish is really nice. It's nice gloss black. We might have to just give them a quick shine when we're ready to show the bike. But yeah, they have the holes for the internal wiring. They're a nice 1.5 inch diameter. And I think they have a 14-inch rise is what we went with. So we should have a set of the cable extensions in here somewhere. So nice. No, I'm really happy with how these turned out. Look good. Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. It's awesome.
Perfect width too.
Yeah.
Woo! Big girl.
It's got the indent for the license plate, cutout for the brake light, signal lights. We have those somewhere.
Yeah, probably in here.
See the inside, like even the inside is
That's
super smooth.
Oh, talking about the lights, might as well show them at the same time. So the tail lights, I guess we can show it closer. So the tail lights we went with, they're like an LED tail light from Bad Dad. I think they're the 905 series. So this fits right in, easy mounting. So this goes on the back and this mounts to the front like this. And it's a nice black finish on it. It's actually powder coated too. The Bad Dad brand back there. But yeah, that's gonna look crazy. And I think we have the license plate that fits directly in that indent here, so which is gonna be like a flush mount, which is gonna look crazy.
Yeah, let's see how far this stretches.
Shut up.
No, that's fine. We'll throw this here.
Oh,
It's gonna go. Whatever. You got the idea. It's gonna go in a little bit deeper, but like.
That's gonna be nuts.
It's insane.
Another box here. I think this is the air cleaner. This one is a pretty cool feature. So, oh yeah, great.
Nice.
So this is the Bad Dad Competition Series air cleaner. So I'm hoping this is the exhaust, or else it didn't come through. So yeah, so this was a kit you could buy with Bad Dad. Again, we looked at other air cleaners and this one kind of looked the best for what the look we're going for. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do, if we're gonna put like a logo on the inside so it shows through. I'm not sure what we're gonna do yet, but just maybe leave it open. It looks crazy as it is. Like,
Yeah.
it's gonna look really cool.
We wanted that clear cover just to see the movement on the inside of the throttle body, and we're probably gonna do the same with some of the other covers at the bottom.
Yeah, if we
might
can,
find
yeah.
something just to see moving parts on the inside. I just find that cool.
Yeah, and everything comes with instructions too, which is really nice. So yeah, as I was saying, this one is the competition series, performance series, I believe. So it comes with those pipes. Oh my god. Yeah, so everything comes together, so you can get that kit on from Bad Dad as well.
All right. So, if you saw in the last video, this had a true dual exhaust. So it came out on each side at the back. It looks cool with like stock bags or bags that have cutouts but that aren't stretched, but we really wanted a nice, smooth, stretched bag with nothing in the way. So to do that, we went with a side burner type exhaust.
2 into 1.
2 into 1, and like I won't unwrap it all right now, but
We'll show it in there.
you got the idea here. This is kind of the shape it's gonna have. So it'll come out right here, and it's going to be very loud.
Yeah, and that one we went with the slash cut tip.
Yeah, the tip's probably in here. Oh, right here.
Yeah, I can pull it. packaging. So yeah, there's 2 options on this tip. There was a flat tip, or there was, oh actually this one's ceramic wrap too. So
Okay.
anyways, you can tell the
kind of see the profile of that tip.
So the last box was the saddlebag, and the chin spoiler. So this is the chin spoiler we went with. So I think this one was the only one that would fit our setup. So our 23-inch front wheel with the rake kit and would clear the chin spoiler. So this is a classic series spoiler. So there's 2 vent holes here. It comes with the vents that you bolt on the back. It is gonna look really cool. So that bolts onto your front like this. It just kind of finishes the look of the front. So with the wrap fender, it's gonna look pretty good. So we'll just pull 1 bag out of the box, and it's crazy long. Man, it looks great. Over here.
So this is it. Stretched bag competition series. The finish is insane.
Actually, I lied. We're gonna take the other one out so we can put it next to the.
I'll show you guys a bit closer, but it's solid. Like this isn't thin garbage you get on eBay. Like this is nice.
Yeah. All right. Let's see what this looks like. Man. Here.
Something like this.
My God, this is gonna change the look completely. This bag is like just the fiberglass work on it's crazy. It looks like you don't even have to do any body work to it. Just paint it. I'm sure it'll look good too, but we're gonna do some touch-ups as needed. But
oh yes, Motorbolt.
yes. Forgot about those.
Nice. So
Street series.
yeah, these are the Bad Dad ones as well. We had looked at the ones from Havoc. They are also really nice, but just with the style of this bike, this kind of shape fit a little bit better. So show you guys a little bit closer.
So these are the Street series from Bad Dad. They can either come in the powder coated black or chrome finish. We're getting rid of the chrome on this bike, so we went with the powder black. Same with the pegs are from the same series.
All your pegs and everything. Brake.
Yeah, that's the toe. Yeah, this is gonna look really good. And they're heavy, like it's not a cheap product. And I think that concludes the unboxing for now. Anyways, like we said, we still have the 2 tires and the front wheel. The front wheel is, well, I guess we'll show you in the next video once we get it. And it looks pretty good based on the pictures anyways. And I think that's it. So we're gonna put some order to this madness for now, and then we'll see you in the next one.
Okay, so we were impatient and we wanted to see what the exhaust looks like. So here we go. We're gonna see it in a second. So this is my tip. The tip looks pretty cool.
Same size.
All right. Now the challenge will be not to scratch these for the next couple months before they, or I don't know how long, before they go on the bike.
Back in the box.
Actually, we can scratch this part because there's heat shields going over it.
There you go.
Just want to see how far the heat shield goes. Okay.
Let's try not to scratch them. That's it. You. Oh, keep them, buddy. So this is what they look like. They look freaking nuts. Scratch anything, that's kind of the style we were going for. Not disappointed at all. Again, great finish on them. This is from Bad Dad, like we said. So this is a nice tip that's gonna go on it. Oh yeah.
There we go.
Sweet.
Cool.
All right.
Now that's it for real. We have parts.